Sometimes, building your own house isn't the best option for everyone. Maybe you're working abroad or simply don't have the time to manage construction. But here's some good news. The house behind me offers 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and flexible payment terms up to 42 months. Watch this video to learn more. Hello guys, this is me again, Steve Singson, your property expert and one of the senior sales managers from Ayala Land Score Residential Business Group. Before I enter inside and give you a full tour of this house, I'd like you to discuss first what is Nuvali. Nuvali is a premier eco-city development by Ayala Land located in Laguna. It's designed for sustainable living, combining nature, modern infrastructure, and convenience all in one place. What makes Nuvali stand out is its balance between urban life and green spaces. You'll find business district, which is the Metro Nuvali, schools such as Xavier School, Miriam College, and Everest Academy, hospital, particularly Healthway Qualimed Hospital, lifestyle hubs like Ayala Mall Soledad and SM Nuvali, and residential communities all within reach. It is also known for its wide open parks, bike trails, and scenic lakes, perfect for outdoor living. Accessibility is another major advantage with easy routes via Calax and SLEX, making it ideal for both homeowners and investors looking for long-term value. If you're looking for a peaceful, well-planned community in the south, Nuvali is definitely one of the top choices in the Philippines. Having said that, this is one of our residential communities, Crocella Nuvali. By the way, pag Avida, we have 3 categories when it comes to subdivision. The entry level natin is village. Nag-iisa lang po yun sa buong Nuvali kasi compliance lang siya ng government, And the second one is settings. Ito yung middle segment po natin. And the most high-end or the upscale segment of Avida is estates, by which Crocella Nuvali is categorized. Crocella Nuvali was launched December of 2024, and the completion date is by 2026. And currently, ongoing yung kanyang land development, kaya this is the perfect time to invest habang ginagawa pa po yung ating project. By the way, si Crocella po has 46% of the open spaces and 54% residential. And yung total land area niya po is around 13.5 hectares. Imagine, this is the smallest subdivision in Nuvali, kaya very exclusive siya, and konti lang po kayo magkakapit-bahay dito. For the amenities naman po ng ating subdivision, we have the air-conditioned clubhouse, adult and kiddie pool, basketball court, kids play area, pocket park, jogging path, pet park. First ever to sa mga Avida subdivisions natin na magkakaroon tayo ng pet park, and generous open spaces. And for the product offerings po, we have 2 types. The first one is the lot only. The lot only starts at 150 hanggang 250 square meters. Kung naghahanap kayo ng lot only, which you can build your own design house in the future, mag-message lang po kayo sa akin. But kung gusto niyo naman po is a house and lot package na, we have 2 types, which are Erwin and Solea. Erwin is approximately 98 square meters of the floor area, and yung lot area niya naman po is approximately 162 square meters. And for the Solea naman po, the floor area is 114 square meters, and the lot area is approximately 172 square meters po. But there are houses na mas malaki ang mga lot area po, Depende po iyon sa availability. But for now, ang i-feature po natin ngayon is yung Solea model, kasi sobrang daming buyers na naghahanap po ng 4 bedrooms. Kasi imagine, pag tinayo po itong bahay na ito, you have your own bathroom and kwarto sa baba na hindi mo na kailangan magpagawa pa ng retirement home in the future. And now, let's have a full tour of this house. Tara, samahan niyo po ako. Before we enter the property line, we are greeted by this green space, planting strip siya ng mga puno in the future. And this one is the walk path before pa yung property line. So approximately mga 2 or 3 meters pa siya na extra space before the road. So ganun po ka-spacious yung ating house dito. And dito po, this one is Solea model. The minimum cut is 172 square meters for the lot area. And for the floor area is 114 square meters. And as you can see, naka-prepare na po yung ating parking stones. So pagka-turnover, kasama na po ito. Dito po, since malawak po yung frontage ng ating bahay, kasya po ang 2 cars. Yan. And very timely yan, no? Since mataas po ang gasoline ngayon, dito po naka-prepare na po yung installation ng ating electric car charger. So if ever po na magkaroon kayo ng e-car in the future, naka-prepare na po siya dito. Dito po, malawak pa yung open space natin. As you can see, naka 3 meter setback po tayo dito. Pwede ka maglagay ng garden dito. And sa isang side, malawak pa din. So pwede ka maglagay dyan ng lanay sa isang side ng ating bahay. Tara po, pasukin na po natin si Solea model. Yun po, as we enter the house, dito po makikita natin na meron po tayong glass window dito, no? Kasi it promotes natural light para pumasok po sa bahay natin. And then po dito, meron po tayong foyer, or yung iba ang tawag ito is foyer, no? It will serve as our sanitation area. Para pagpasok natin, pwede tayo maglagay dito ng mga shoe rack, car keys, etc. And then dito po sa part na to, it will serve as our living area. So nakikita po natin, naglagay sila ng sofa, ng mga chairs, ng table in the middle. Tapos meron pong TV dito. By the way, no, yung ating house po is open layout. Ibig sabihin, walang mga partitions, kaya zero wastage. Ibig sabihin na ma-maximize natin yung gamit ng spaces, kaya mas nagiging mas maluwag or nagiging mas malaki yung ating bahay. At sa side naman po na to, is yung ating dining area. So dito po, naka 6 seaters po siya, but we can actually put up to 8 seaters since malawak naman yung side na to. And dito po sa ating isang side, nakalagay naman po yung ating sliding door. So pwede ka pa maglagay dyan ng garden or lanay para habang kumakain po tayo, maganda lang po yung view natin sa isang side dito. And then po sa part naman na to, yung ating storage area. So na-maximize din po yung baba ng ating stairs, no? So malaki po to na kung nagbabike ka or marami kang mga gamit, pwede po itong pagtaguan ng mga gamit po natin. So hindi na siya nakakasikip pa ng ating bahay. And dito po sa side na to, para ma-maximize lang yung space, naglagay din siya dito ng storage or cabinet po. And by the way, no, ang kagandahan sa bahay natin, well-planned siya. Yun yung kagandahan kapag merong tinatawag na proper space planning. Ibig sabihin, kapag enough lang yung size ng bahay natin, pero kung enough sizes yung mga gagamitin na chairs, na mga tables, mas nagiging mas malawak po siya pag nalagay na po lahat. Ito naman po yung side ng ating kitchen. So dito po ang ginawa niya, sa taas nag-install lang po siya ng cabinet. Yan po, parang marami pong storage, no? Yun naman po yung goal natin, maraming storage. And dito po, naglagay sila ng 2-door na refrigerator. Ito naman po yung ating kitchen. Sa actual deliverable po, no, ito lang pong countertop yung meron tayo, tsaka lower cabinet. But itong upper cabinet, wala po ito. So tayo na po yung magpapa-install nito. And kagandahan dito, ang nagustuhan ko po dito, no, we have the horizontal window. So ibig sabihin, pag may mga patating pong bisita, makikita po natin siya from here. Dito sa side na to, yung ating service entry. So imagine, no, if we have the main entry or main entrance, we have the sliding door, and sa side po na ito, yung ating service entry, na kung mag-park ka po dito, yung mga grocery natin, hindi na po kailangang idaan sa main access door para hindi na po maabala yung mga bisita. Tara po! By the way, no, sa first floor natin, we also have here the bedroom number 1. So ito po, pwede po siya maging maid's quarter, or pwede din po siya maging bedroom ng mga elderly, or kayo po mismo nagagamit ng bahay, no? Kasi kagandahan dito, at least yung room po na ito, or pwedeng gawing office space, naka-prepare na po sa atin. Di na po natin kailangan pa siyang ipa-renovate or magpa-expand pa in the future. Sa side naman po na ito, yung ating toilet and bath. So as you can see, elegant po yung fixtures niya. Gray na po yung color ng mga tiles natin. And then, naka-American standard yung ating mga fixtures. Tapos po dito, naka-prepare na po yung provision for the water heater. So, ready for tapping na po siya. So, ang ginawa po dito, para mas maging maluwag yung look ng ating toilet and bath, naglagay sila ng malaking mirror dito. So, yung reflection, nagpapadaya siya ng luwag ng ating bahay. So, everything is inside na, kumbaga, pagagandahin mo lang po siya ng konti. By the way, the floor to ceiling height of this first floor is approximately 2.7 meters. And ang kagandahan dito, no, sa first floor natin, ang provision for the air condition po natin is split type. But kung for example, medyo marami kayo sa bahay, pwede nyo gawin yung floor-mounted or standing air conditioner para totally talaga makover lahat po ng sulok ng ating house. Check naman po natin yung ating second floor. Dito po kung mapapansin nyo, maluwag po yung ating stairs. Kung meron kang kasabay na pababa, hindi talaga magkakabungguan, no? And sa ating handrails po, naka-wood na din po siya. So maayos na po yung ating deliverables, konting improvement na lang po pagka-turnover po siya sa atin. Pansin nyo po dito, sobrang daming windows, no? Kasi talaga pinapromote natin yung access of natural light. And before going to the rooms po, no? Dito, ang tawag po namin is flex area. Kasi dito, pwede kang maglagay ng office space dito or ng parang study table para ma-maximize po natin yung gamit ng space na ito. Tara po, check naman natin yung ating bedroom 2. So ito parang nakadesign siya sa anak na babae po, ano. So as you can see, dito po makikita niyo po yung design ng ating house. So very K-pop po siya, no, sa mga nag-idolize po ng K-pop kasi very timely po siya ngayon. So dito po, since corner bedroom po siya, meron po dito yung corner window. So grabe po yung access ng natural light kahit wala po nakabukas na ilaw. And again po, meron ditong cabinet for extra storage. And ito naman po yung ating bedroom 2. So, same lang sila ng size ng bedroom 1. Ang kagandahan po dito, since corner bedroom din po ito, meron siyang corner window din. So, very aliwalas din po yung ating room. So, dito po, naglagay siya ng bed, ng study area, and naglagay din po siya dito ng cabinet. So, very spacious po yung ating bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. Check naman po natin yung ating master's bedroom. By the way, before the master's bedroom, we have here the common toilet and bath sa ating second floor. So, same with the common toilet and bath sa ating first floor. Ito rin po yung makikita po natin dito. Pasok naman po tayo sa ating master's bedroom. So, dito po, pagpasok natin, meron tayong tinatawag na ensuite toilet and bath or master's toilet and bath. So, meron kang sarili, hindi mo na kailangan po lumabas. And sa side ng ating bedroom, para ma-maximize yung side na ito, naglagay siya ng malaking cabinet. So, talagang ma-maximize yung space kasi sobrang daming storage po na ginawa dito sa ating bahay. And then po, sa side na to, naglagay siya ng double size na bed. Actually, no, malaki yung bedroom. Pwede ka pang ma-king size na bed dito. So, meron tayong TV rack, may naka-install na TV. Since corner bedroom din po ito, sobrang dami po nating mga windows. We have window 1, window 2, and we have here the sliding door or sliding window. Access going to the balcony. Ang kagandahan kasi kay Crocella, no, sobrang taas ng elevation from 202 hanggang 225 meters above sea level. So imagine, pag afternoon, dito ka lang sa balcony mo, nagko-coffee ka lang, grabe, mafe-feel mo talaga na sobrang natural yung elevation, mahangin dito, and mafe-feel mo na nasa vacation home ka talaga. I hope na i-tour ko po kayo sa ating Solea model, no? Good news po sa ating mga buyers. We just opened the new inventories very near entrance and amenities. So ngayon po na napapanood nyo po ito, you can send me a message para ma-update ko po kayo sa computations and availability ng ating Solea model. To know more about this beautiful house and lot, you can send me a message to my Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. That is +6 3961 462 2138. You can also follow me to my Facebook page. That is The Property Expert, Ayala Land by Carlos Steve Singson. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated to our upcoming videos. Once again, this is Steve Singson, your property expert in the Valley.